For this edition of hardware, we took the 2016 Husqvarna FC450, enlisted the help of the entire crew at Three Brothers Racing to give the boss man at FMF, Donnie Little D Emler, a chance to ride again. WP Factory Services revalved and resprung both the front and rear suspension for Little D's weight. W laced up a set of wheels featuring billet aluminum Talon magnesium colored hubs, DID Dirt Star rims. We wrapped those in Dunlop MX32 tires. We mounted ODI podium handlebars that featured Control Flex technology in X-Trig triple clamps. Husqvarna offers a variety of hard parts for the 2016 FC models that includes ODI grips, aluminum anodized oil filter cover, aluminum brake and clutch reservoir covers. We installed a Nilo Concepts billet aluminum gas cap that is actually smaller than the stock unit and gives it a cool factory look. The Guts Phantom seat foam is really lightweight at only 120 grams, and we wrapped that with a blue ribbed seat cover from Guts Racing. The FMF Factory 4.1 titanium exhaust system not only increases power, but reduces weight. We added a few items internally to the engine that included a complete Hinson billet-proof clutch for durability and the brand new Boysen supercooler to bring the operating temperature down. We received some additional protection from the crew at P3 Carbon with their brand new frame grip guards and their new factory replica skid plates offering extended coverage. The Sunstar chain and sprocket kit helped get our power to the ground, and the crew at DeRestricted Graphics gave our Husky that factory look. So now that this build is complete, we're looking forward to seeing Little D and his growing family at the track again. If you like this video from our hardware series and want to see more, click now.